How you guys doing today? This is Derek Howes with dhftns.com, and today I'm going to show you guys my strawberry banana protein shake recipe. I'm thirsty, so let's make this. Take out a blender, and the first ingredient we're going to put in is 1 cup or around 152 grams of fresh or frozen strawberries. 1 cup or 8 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can also use regular milk or any other milk substitute that you may prefer. 1 medium banana. 1.5 scoops or 45 grams of protein powder. The flavor you use is up to you. I prefer using vanilla or banana in this recipe. However, strawberry or natural flavored works just as good. It also doesn't matter whether you use casein, soy, whey, or egg protein like I'm using. And finally, before we blend it, 1 cup of ice. Now just blend it all together. And there is your strawberry banana protein shake. Not only is this a great shake to have after a workout since it's low in fat, it's a delicious way to get 40 grams of protein in as well. Alright guys, I just want to thank you for watching. If you liked my strawberry banana protein shake recipe, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It motivates me to keep making these. If you aren't already subscribed and you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking right there. And by subscribing, you'll get an email every week telling you I upload a new video. Comments or suggestions go down below. I do try and respond to everybody. Alright guys, I got a shake to finish. That's absolutely delicious. Stay healthy.